Hi, according to Ricardo, land is a prize for the use of original and indestructible power of a soil. Original power means a fertility of land which is given by nature, not made by a people. Indestructible power means natural ability of land to grow crops cannot destroy by humans. And according to Ricardo, rent is price for the use of original and indestructible power of soil. Ricardo talks about two types of cultivation. First, extensive cultivation. Under extensive cultivation, we increase output by increasing quantities of land with a small amount of capital and labor. Land, production from land, surplus, or you can say that rent. A land give us 120 production, B 90, C 60, D 30. D is giving a very less production, that's why D will be called our marginal land. We can calculate rent when we minus production of marginal land from the production of each land. Production of marginal land is 30. Production of A land 120, production of marginal land 30, it will become equal to 90. So we are receiving 90 surplus from land A. Similar you can calculate for other. Here you can see our marginal land giving us no surplus. Grades, production from lands, production of marginal land, production of A land, difference will be called surplus from A land. This difference surplus from B land, this difference surplus from C land. D land is not giving any surplus. Second is intensive cultivation, where we can increase output by increasing more and more unit of labor and capital on same piece of land. Doses of labor and capital, output, surplus, or you can say that rent. First dose give us 20 output, second 15, third 10. Third dose give us very less output, so third dose will be called marginal dose. We can calculate surplus when we minus output of marginal dose from the output of each dose of labor and capital. So in first case surplus 10, in second case 5, in third case we don't have any surplus. Doses of labor and capital, output, production from marginal dose 10. Production from first dose 20, difference will be called surplus from first dose. This surplus belongs to second dose and third dose don't give us any surplus.